Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 11th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, well, anyways, yesterday we had a very strong push up on the Aussie dollar. I was definitely thinking that this was going to make more of a proper three-way pullback before it continued up. But my higher time frame analysis has always been that this is a 1, this is a WXY of 2, and we're potentially in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3, which I still think is likely to go up and take out these highs. So the fact that it just kept on going up yesterday definitely makes sense in the longer term view. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said yesterday, we were right around here. I thought for sure this was going to go down for a wave C, which is always one of the reasons why I'm not a big fan of counter trend trading. I would much rather just trade with the weekly and the daily and the monthly trends when possible, because this is the type of things that happen. You'll go down to the 1 hour time frame and you'll be like, oh, this is a perfect A, this is a perfect B. I'm going to go short for a wave C. And then instead of it actually going down and making a wave C, it just keeps on pushing up because you're in a strong trend on the very, very high time frames. So we definitely should continue to look for logs. I mean, every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up, not the whole series of impulsive moves, just the last wave of this impulsive move. If we get some sort of a three-way pullback to any one of these Fibonacci levels and then a golfing move up, then I definitely would be recommending longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.